Menteri Rangba Gajela Conrad ke Sangma haka arpau terik ujemang ulai thu baka sarkar ka khmi ilenti banla ban pli patba ya ka Meghalaya State Zoo kebedan ha umtro tang hapo uni usnam. Conrad Sangma ula ongru ba Sngewtynnad ban Ïohi beki Jingtei Jong ka zoo kila jandam bad ukmi ilenti ban yo pelat patba no tang ha uni usnam.
So we have visited the zoo here and this is the Meghalaya Zoological Park and this was initiated in the year 2019 and in the last 3-4 years the work has been going on. Of course there were numerous challenges that were there along the way, but I'm happy to see that we have progressed to this point, and after my review today I have been told that we expect the infrastructure to be ready within the next 45 days. That is within the month of July. So June and July we should be able to see the infrastructure being completed, and we are hoping that after all the clearances that are given from Government of India and the concerned authorities, we will be able to officially inaugurate the zoo with all the animals and all the infrastructure ready by August. So I'm hoping that before August 15th we're targeting. Of course we'll see how the progress goes, but a target date of before Independence Day, we're hopeful that this will start so that people from Independence Day onwards can actually visit this particular zoo. We also intend that this zoo should be run in a professional manner, so we will take necessary steps to examine the possibilities for that. We also want this particular zoo to have other activities that are related to especially for children and for families, and hence we will examine. There's a very large area of 200 plus acres, almost 300 acres of land is there, so hence we intend to utilize it and maximize the utility of this place to the most. But of course at the end of the day we have to ensure that it runs well, it is managed well, and the animals are kept safe, and they're given all the facilities, and the children and the families and the visitors who come to visit this place enjoy it, and we make it as user friendly and tourist friendly as possible. So what kind of animals out here, from black bears to leopards to clouded leopard, we have then the different kind of deers we'll be having out here, fox, hornbills, there'll be bird sanctuary. We also hope to have a small water body where we'll have different migratory birds also coming in. Hullock gibbons will be there. So like that we'll be having as many animals that are kind of indigenous to kind of to the state, and also we will try to get as we go on to the second phase and other phases, we hope that we'll be able to expand and we'll be able to get animals from outside also. And therefore the forest department will be the nodal as well as administrative, and the overall the officer department that is going to look into the management and running of this place. But in order to ensure that we are able to run it in a professional manner, we would want and different activities, we would want the involvement of entrepreneurs and private sector from the state to come in, and so that our boys and girls also can then get employment opportunities, because there'll be restaurants out here, there'll be different parking space which has to be managed, there'll be different children's park that'll be there, cafeteria will be there, the different emporium and different shops will be there, souvenir shops. So we feel strongly that all of this we can involve the local entrepreneurs and our young boys and girls to get the economical benefit of such activity. So this project is a total 35 crore project, and till now we have done the first phase, which is approximately 21 plus crores. So in the second phase another 14 plus minus crores will be done. But apart from that, as I said, apart from government investment, we are hopeful that once we create the necessary infrastructure, we will get private investment also going. So this project will be far bigger than the 35 crores that we have planned.
This is yet to be a bird. Yes. The official concept.
Nowadays there is all designs now available. You can do it with computer design.
So that's life-size animals also. They are ready, in fact, it has to be placed now.
Get design basically. So just giving it like a natural look.
Yeah.
And
This is a great idea.
So-
Artificial one also, but you could have the living root bridge.